our beloved principal and assistant principal, to the respected members of the school administration, to our dedicated teachers and staff, our beloved parents and guardians, and of course, to my fellow graduates, the class of 2025, good evening. Isang malaking karangalan ang tumayo sa harap niyo ngayon upang magbigay ng kaunang pagbago. Ang okasyon na ito ay pagdiriwang ng ating katatagan, tiyaga at dedikasyon na nagdala sa atin sa puntong ito. Ngayon, we are especially grateful to be joined by our distinguished guest speaker, Director Carl Cesar Romando, whose presence inspires us as we prepare to take a step into a bigger world with greater responsibilities. To be honest, when I first came to this school, I wasn't certain that I'd be standing here. But through perseverance, hard work, and God's grace, nandito ako sa harap na ngayon. And I will do my best to give this honor to justice and deserves. Alam nating lahat na ang school is a place of learning. Mathematics man, English, or Filipino, or any of the many subjects that we have within our curriculum. But beyond academics, school is a place where many of us have grown to the people we are today. Dito natin na-discover ang ating mga sarili. Dito tayo nakahinanap ng mga kaibigan. At dito tayo nakahanap ng mga pagsubok na humubog sa atin ngayon. So, allow me to share 3 things that I've learned along the way. Una, nothing goes exactly as planned. Danas natin itong lahat. Missed deadlines, unexpected grades, yung mali ka ng gising kasi tinanggal mo yung alarm mo, or dealing with heartbreak when we least expect it. Life doesn't always follow a script. But that's okay. What matters most is how we adapt, how we move forward, and how we make the most out of every unexpected turn. Pangalawa, just do it. Yes, it is a slogan, but it's an effective one. Do it scared, do it tired, do it frustrated. Kahit na naiiyak ka na kasi ikaw na lang yung nagawa sa group project mo, still, do it. Procrastination might be tempting, but trust me, the regret of not trying is far worse. At pangatlo, when everything feels overwhelming, talk to the people who love you. Sa aking STEM 12 family, thank you. Even in all our chaos, you have been my safe space. To my closest friends, thank you for staying with me and being my family here. To our parents and guardians, your sacrifices have brought us here. It is through your support that has been the foundation of our success, and we share this milestone with you. To our beloved and sometimes feared teachers, moms, sirs, thank you for shaping us not only as students, but as individuals ready to face life's challenges. It is through you that we live by the theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay sa Bagong Pilipinas. To our student leaders, especially to our former SLG officers, led by Ms. Nika Shalina Lastimosa. Thank you for guiding our batch with strength and heart. Leadership is no easy feat, and your work did not go unnoticed. To my fellow graduates, congratulations. I hope you feel the same gratitude for those who stood beside you. Your friends, your family, your mentors, let us give all of them a round of applause. Ngayon pa sa natin ang mga habang gabi, ang pressure, ang deadlines, at ang panghihinayang sa mga sarili nating kakayahan. Tandaan niyo ang araw na ito, because it marks not an end, but a new beginning. Lastly, I offer my deepest and highest gratitude to God for giving me the wisdom and strength to overcome all my challenges. It is through His grace that I know that we have managed to come this far. Every opportunity, every success, every second win, we owe it all to Him. To end this message, I leave you all with a quote from Blue Hope for you to ponder. And I quote, Your talent determines what you can do. Your motivation determines how much you are willing to do. Your attitude determines how well you do it and look good. Once again, welcome to this unforgettable day, and let us now begin the ceremony with a spirit of joy, gratitude, and anticipation for the bright futures that await us. Congratulations, Batch 2024 to 2025.